All right, guys, this is another circle problem. And in this circle problem, we wish to find the radius of the circle. But however, we are given that the distance from point A to point B is 5 units, and the distance from point B to point C is 12 units, and we wish to find the radius of the circle. Now, I believe that between the line segment BC, we are going to have the center. So let's assume the center to be somewhere around here, and let's call that center E for clarity, okay? And if I decide to connect a line from the point A to the center E, that line automatically becomes our radius, right? So this is the radius we are asked to find. And you can also observe that any distance or any line that runs from the center to the circumference is also another radius. So this is radius. And if this is radius, yeah, definitely the distance from B to A will be 12 minus R. Now, let me explain how we got 12 minus R just for more clarity. And why are we even subtracting? Now, let's do a quick explanation here. This is point B and this is point C. And somewhere around here is the E we got earlier. But remember, we are given from the onset that the distance from point B to point C is 12 units, right? And just imagine that the distance from point E to point C, which is our radius, let's say it's 7 units, for instance, 7 units. Then what then you think would be the distance from B to E? That's going to be 12 minus 7, right? And that will be how many? That will be 5. So that is why we are removing 12, the radius from 12. So I hope that is clear. That's why we are subtracting. So what do you observe? Within the circle, we have a right angle triangle. So let me just bring out the right angle triangle so then we can be able to calculate the radius of the circle. Yeah, so this is 5. Of course, here is A, here is B, and here is E. So here is 12 minus R, and here is R. So applying the Pythagoras theorem, here is my hypotenuse, right? And these are the legs of the triangle. These are the legs of the triangle. So what does the Pythagoras theorem says? It says when you have hypotenuse squared, that would be the leg squared plus the leg squared. So what is the hypotenuse? The hypotenuse is R. That would be R squared. And that's the radius we are asked to find. And these are the legs. So you can take any of them. So this is 5 squared plus 12 minus R all squared. So if you go further to simplify, that would be 25. And when you expand this bracket, just for simplicity, how do you expand 12 minus R all squared? That would be 12 minus R times 12 minus R. Then you go ahead and distribute like this. 12 times 12 is 144. And 12 times negative R is negative 12R. Then you distribute with this, okay? Negative R times 12 is negative 12R. And negative R times negative R will give us positive R squared. And these two guys will definitely sum up to negative 24R plus R squared. I hope that is clear. So that is how we're going to get 144 minus 24R then plus R squared. And if you take this R squared to the left hand side, you see they will definitely cancel out. So we are left with 0 is equal to 25 plus 144 minus 24R. And when you sum these two guys, what do you get? That will give us 169 minus 24R, right? So, and of course, you want to go ahead and take negative 24R to the other side of the equation. So that becomes 24R is equal to 169. And if you divide everybody by 24, like this, and like this, you cancel out, then the radius automatically will be 169 upon 24 units. I don't know if there's anything that can reduce this fraction to the lowest term. I don't know if this is the lowest term, but I think this is the lowest term. So this will become the radius of this circle. The radius of the circle is the same as 169 upon 24 in fraction. So guys, if you have a shorter way of solving this problem, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for engaging. Thank you for sharing the comment. Thank you for joining our membership group. I want to see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day and God bless you. Bye-bye.